before you come up with your strategy for where to upload, we need to discuss Amazon. Amazon is the king of sales. That's true for me and for most authors I know. They introduced the Kindle in 2007, and since then they have sold more ebooks than everybody else combined. They give you more tools, they give you an author profile page, they recommend you to readers. They're really terrific. Now, KDP stands for Kindle Direct Publishing, and there's a little bit of confusion as to what that is. Some people confuse KDP Amazon with KDP Select, and that's understandable. The names are similar. KDP Amazon is how everybody has to publish at Amazon. KDP Select is an optional program that you can choose or not choose to enroll in. So this is KDP Amazon, and when you sign in, it will take you to your bookshelf. And if you click on New Title, one of the first things you'll be asked to do is whether or not you want to enroll in KDP Select. And you can either click this box if you want to enroll or not check it if you don't want to enroll. And this is a very big decision to make. In a nutshell, enrolling in KDP Select means for 90 days, your ebook sales can only be at Amazon. You cannot sell anywhere else. Now, this does not apply print versions of your book, just the digital version. So you really need to choose which one you want to do and give it some thought, because this will affect the marketing strategy. Now, the obvious con is that you can't sell your book anywhere else for 3 months. You can't sell at Apple, Google, Barnes & Noble, so many other possible retailers. Now, there are some pros to being in KDP Select. You can either choose from 5 free promo days or their Kindle countdown deals, both of which are designed to create a buzz about your book. You'll also be a part of KU, which is Kindle Unlimited, and KOL, which is the Kindle Owners Lending Library, both of which are designed for subscription-based services that involve borrows, shares, and extra royalties, which will come through the KDP Select Global Fund. And you also get some higher royalties at sales at some countries like India and Mexico. Whether or not to participate is a big decision. It totally divides authors, and it will also affect your publishing strategy. I personally don't do KDP Select, but a lot of authors do, and that's fine. I don't want to tell you what to do. I just want to present this as something you'll need to make a decision on. I recommend researching it, asking other people's opinions, and also just meditating on how you feel about it. Either way, whether you do KDP Select or not, selling at Amazon is an absolute must because they are the best seller of books for the majority of authors. Now, you don't have to decide immediately, but you will have to decide soon. Next, we're going to talk about common strategies of which retailers to upload to, which distributors to use, and what might work best for your needs.